What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1969 Chevrolet Camaro 502 custom build. What an awesome car. Drives great. Tons of power from that 502 big block Chevy. Let's take a look at that MSD ignition, air gap, Edelbrock intake manifold. Vintage air. Gorgeous car. It's got all the bells and whistles. Hood closes beautifully. It's got that nice, they kept its Z28 theme, Z28 badges, and you got a 502 badge, which would look just like the 302 badge that would be there on an original Z. On the cowl hood, that would be on a Z28. The interior fully custom, diamond stitched leather, Z28 on the headrest. Interior custom steering wheel. Horn is inoperable. Tilt wheel. Custom gauges. As you can hear, it sounds great and runs great. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. The fan will stay on. Stays on for a little bit till the car completely cools down. There's your vents. Aftermarket Kenwood radio. I personally tested this radio out. Sounds great. You got speakers here. Headliner in great shape. Power windows. Let's power it back on. Power windows, just excellent. Astro ventilation is what they would call that from the factory. Was before the cars had AC, the non-AC cars had astro ventilation. It was just ventilation for outside air. The trunk, really solid back here, and then they carpeted it. Looks great. Limited slip diff. Sticker, jacking instructions, all where it should be. Flawless back here. And you can take this carpet up. We took it up. It's clean. Trunk closes nicely. Z28 badge right there. Dual exhaust, of course. Torque thrust wheels. They are staggered. On the front's a 17-inch. I believe the back is a 20-inch. Yep, 20-inch. 17's in the front, 20's in the back, staggered. This is like a real-life Hot Wheels car. The stance on this, real-life Hot Wheels car. The paint is gorgeous. Just shines great in this sun. Beautiful sun here. The white stripes really add to it. Just a sharp-looking color combo. Black interior, of course. Like I said, custom diamond stitched, power windows, vintage air. This car is ready to rock. Just really nice. All the trim is in great shape. The body lines are great. Glass is in good shape. The hood opens and closes beautifully, as I showed you before. All the badges are in the correct locations. Four-wheel disc. You're ready to go. This car is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois. We have around 250 cars in stock at our location. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, all by appointment only. Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only as well. We offer special financing for these classic cars with great monthly payments. Shipping all over the United States, of course. Let's get underneath here. 10-bolt rear end. Shipping all over the United States. Open and enclosed, bonded and insured. We get new cars in almost every day, so remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned on the YouTube channel and website. You do not want to miss what we have coming. Like I said, something new almost every day. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. I hope to see you guys here soon, and I want to see this car in somebody's garage, because remember, it looks great here. It'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Have a great day, everyone. See you soon at MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. Bye-bye. Till next time.